Hi, this is Sharon Lim. I'm independent Stampin' Up demonstrator. I blog at sharonitwithyou.blogspot.com, and today we're doing a lovely card made with the Treasured Kindness set. I love the look of the bonsai, and I love how it's all layered, and immediately I thought it would be the perfect card for the Stamparatus. So I have it all set up, and I did it during a card class. So you'll notice some names and numbers on each side to let you know what to do first. So first things first, and I already had in place, is I cut a bunch of these circles out of basic white, and I kept this piece on the Stamparatus, so all they had to do is stick it on the hole here. And I put some temporary adhesive here just so it won't move around. You kind of heard that as I pulled it away. So the first step one is early espresso. So just a little ink here. Pull it over. Push gently. And that's the bottom bowl of the card. Then as you take this plate, make sure that you're pulling straight up and turning it to the second plate. And the second plate says Crumb Cake on it. So I'm going to lay that and get my crumb cake. Ink a little here. And be sure to put the stamp set underneath just to give it a little, just enough of that pressure to put it down. And when you lift that, that looks a little strange. It looks like something's missing, but it's not, trust me. And then we're ready for the greenery. Sorry about that. And the third color is Granapple Green. So here, doing a little vertical because I have a light right behind that. Press that here. And that gives part of the bush part of the card. And then we're going to do the same thing. Pull it straight up, turn it, push it straight down for the Parakeet Party color, which is the accent of that part. Love the look of it. Here it comes. Ta-da! Isn't that lovely? And the last one is the sun, and I have it for with Saffron. So a couple taps of that to stamp the sun. Technically behind the tree, but you're stamping it on top. I'm going to take that off. And what do you think? Isn't that lovely? Alright, so I'm going to put away the Stamparatus so we can finish up the card. The card needs, let me put this ink away before I accidentally put something in it. Okay, so the card needs a card base, which measures 4 1/4 by 11, scored at 5 1/2. So I'm going to go ahead and fold that there. Then you want a piece of Granapple Green that measures 4 by 5 1/4, and then you want to emboss it using the painted texture folder, and I went ahead and did that. It's a really nice look for that. So I'm going to adhere that here to the front of the card. Let me grab my Stampin' Seal. I put a T for the top so I can remember to put the top back. Put some here and here. That totally just got all stuck on there. Let me try the Stampin' Seal. There we go. It's a lot better. T for top. And then you're just going to center it here. It just gives you a little border of the basic white. Then I'm going to take some dimensionals and pop up the circle that we just made. Get those release papers off. Really cool card to be able to duplicate. And then one more, you need a strip. It's 1/2 inch by 2.5. I think it's depending on the sentiment that you use. Mine's slightly, it's thinking of you, so it's pretty short. So I'll stamp that. Oh, a little crooked. Let me try again on the other side. You always get a second chance. Alright, then I'm going to use some more dimensionals on the back of that one. So I'll put one here and another here. Perfectly fits on the back of that. And there goes your thinking of you. So this is something you, as long as you keep it on the Stamparatus, you can have it. So thank you for letting me share that with you. I hope you enjoyed it. If you want to see more tutorials just like this, please subscribe to my video channel. And I will be happy to make more video tutorials such as this. So thanks again and have a great day.